So, for the age problem, you have to remember two things. By the way, good morning po. Ay, magandang araw at magandang umaga. Depende kung anong oras po napapanood. This is Sir Jeff and hopefully may tulong po ito sa inyo. Okay? So, age problem, may dalawang bagay tayo dapat na matandaan dyan. Una, yung character at saka yung time. Sa character, pwedeng yung tao, ilang taon na ba ilan yung edad ng tao, pwedeng lugar, halimbawa yung mall, ilang taon na yung mall, or thing, ilang taon na yung cellphone mo, event, ilang taon ka na kinasal, o ilang taon ka na nakagraduate, o ilang taon ka na tambay, o ilang taon ka na nagtatrabaho. Okay? So, those things are being talk about sa age problem. Pagdating naman sa panahon o sa time, you have the present, or the past, present, and the future. Okay? Ilang taon ka ngayon, that's sa present. O ilang taon ka nung pinanganak o nung graduate ka ng high school, that's sa past age. At ilang taon ka pag ikakasal ka o ilang taon ka pag mag-retiro ka magtrabaho, so that's sa future age. So, two things, tanda mo character po at saka yung time. So, let's start to solve a problem here. When I get this correct. So, hindi na ko ulit. Okay. So, let's try to read the problem. Kim Chu is 25 years old. Then may question dito, how old is he 5 years from now? How old is he 5 years ago? So again, may una, alamin natin yung character natin. Ang character natin dyan ay si Kim Chu. And you simply denote it using a variable letter K o yung first letter ng kanilang pangalan. Again, dalawang kailangan nating malaman, di ba? Yung character at saka yung time. So alam na natin kung sino yung character. Alam na ba natin yung time? Not yet. And time dito is, which is a present. So ibig sabihin, we're talking here of the present age 8. At ang sabi, si Kim Chiu daw ay currently 25 years old. Okay? Now, going back to the question, how old is he 5 years from now? So, ang pinag-uusapan natin doon is yung future. Okay? 5 taon. Okay? After 5 years. Okay? Ibig sabihin, from present, magdadagdag ako ng 5 taon. Okay? So, to find out yung age si Kim Chiu, at that particular time, sa future, you can simply add 5 to the present age, which will give us as 30. Okay? So next is, here is 30. How old is he 5 years from now? Sorry, how old is he 5 years ago? So we're dealing here of the past. Okay? Kailan daw sa past? 5 years ago. So we have to subtract 5. Kasi pag present, yung ngayon yun, yung nakaraang edad mo, no nakaraang 5 taon. So kung ano yung edad mo ngayon, babawasan mo ng 5 taon. So if your age ni Kim Chu is 25, babawasan ko ngayon ng 5 taon yan, then the age of Kim Chu 5 years ago is 20. Okay? So, you try the same process dito sa second problem. So, again, Kim Chu will be 30 years old 5 years from now. So, ilagay ko sa kung ilalagay present. Here, sige, present tayo. Okay? At saka yung future. Okay? So, sa present, hindi given yung age ni Kim Chu. Rather, given yung edad ni Kim Chu na 30 years old 5 years from now. Ibig sabihin, edad niya yun sa future. So, dito sa future natin, which is plus 5, di ba? Ang edad ni Kim Chu is 30. This is the future age. Now, what is being asked here is that, how old is she now? So, ilang taon daw si Kim Chu ngayon? Okay, so to be able to find out, yung edad ni Kim Chu, since this is given 5 years ago, di ba? 5 years from now, sorry, future, aalamin mo yung edad niya ngayon, you have to subtract 5, right? So, 30 minus 5 is equal to 25. Okay? Now, how old is he 5 years ago? Okay? We're dealing here of the past. So, kung si Kim Chu daw is 30, right? 30 years old siya, bawasan mo yun na 5 taon, yun yung edad niya at present. Pero ang tinatanong yung edad niya nung nakaraan, 5 years ago. So, babawas ko ulit ng another 5 years. And that will be 30 minus 10 is 20 years old. So, ito naman yung edad niya 5 years ago. I hope you got this one, 30 siya after 5 years. So, sa present ngayon, babalik ka, minus 5, that will be 25. Pero ang tinatanong is yung past, that's why you have to subtract again 5 here to get the age in the past. Okay? Take note, 30 siya dito sa future. At present, he is 25. And the past, he is 20. Okay? So, I hope you got the idea. Next is, Kim Chu is 20 years old 5 years ago. So, sulat ulit natin yung time. Okay? Kasi, hinahanap dito, how old is he now? At saka, how old is he 5 years from now. So, tatlo. Okay? So, present. Okay? Lagay muna natin. Kim Chu is 20 years old. Is 20 years old 5 years ago. So, really cannot be past naman. Okay? Kailan? 5 years ago. So, I have to subtract 5. So, the question is, how old is he now? Ilang taon daw siya ngayon? Hindi ko alam. Pero given dyan is, si Kim Chu daw is 20 years old 5 years ago. So, if Kim Chu is 20 years 5 years ago, ilang taon siya ngayon? Since this is the age in the past, 5 years ago, hindi ibig sabihin, isusubtract mo yun ha? Ibig sabihin nun, that was the time. Okay? Nung nakaraang 5 taon, 20 anyos ka. So, ilang taon ka ngayon? O si Kim Chu ngayon? Siyempre, dadagdagan mo yan ng 5 taon. That will be 25. Eh? Next, how old is he 5 years from now? Ilang taon daw si Kim Chu 5 years from now? Here. So, si Kim Chu 5 years from now is, let me just put it here. Okay? In the future, okay? Which is plus 5, right? Okay, so, si Kim Chu is actually 25 years ago. Okay? Nung nakaraang 5 taon, 20 anyo siya. Pero, to be able to find out yung future age niya, alamin muna natin yung edad niya at present by adding 5. Kasi 20 anyo siya noong nakarang 5 taon, dagdagan mo na 5 taon yan, yun yung edad niya ngayon. Ngayon, ang tanong, ilang taon siya pakaraan pa ng 5 taon in the future? So, dagdag ka ulit ng 5. So, that will be 30. Okay?